Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make some sorrel drink, a staple drink in Jamaican cuisine. First, we're gonna wash our sorrel with some baking soda. Then to a pot, I'm gonna add 10 cups of water, followed by some cloves, allspice powder. Now I'm gonna wash my ginger and beat it out. You need a lot of ginger for this drink. Ginger is very important in this drink. Now I'm gonna add my ginger to the pot, followed by the sorrel. Guys, I forget to add my cinnamon stick. There I'm adding my cinnamon stick. Now I'm gonna turn off the stove and let this steep overnight. I'm adding 2 cups of brown sugar to a large container. Now I'm gonna add some hot water. Now I'm gonna strain the sorrel. I use 2 strainers to strain the sorrel, just like so. I'm gonna add the syrup that I made out of the sugar. I'm gonna add some rum. That's optional. Now I'm going to fill up a jar. I'm going to preserve this sorrel for next time. I'm adding some pimento seed along with some cloves. This is a traditional Christmas drink in Jamaica. Now I'm going to try this delicious drink. This is so delicious. You should definitely try this recipe.